Why do we need to understand network fundamentals? As we delve into the world of technology, this question often surfaces, and today we're going to answer it. Network fundamentals are like the alphabet for IT professionals. Just as knowing your ABCs is crucial to reading, writing, and understanding words, understanding network fundamentals is key to navigating the complex world of information technology. Understanding how devices interconnect and communicate is critical in advancing your IT career. Start by picturing a network as a city. The devices are the buildings, the data packets are the vehicles, and the network protocols are the traffic rules. The roads, they represent the network connections. Step 1. Understand the devices. Just as different buildings in a city serve different purposes, different devices on a network have different roles. Servers store and provide access to data. Computers, also known as clients, request and use that data. Switches direct data traffic, ensuring that the data packets reach their intended destination. Step 2. Decode the data packets. These are the vehicles in our city. They carry information from one device to another. Each data packet contains not just the actual data, but also information about its origin, destination, and the route it should take. Step 3. Master the network protocols. These are the traffic rules of our city. Protocols such as TCP/IP determine how data packets are assembled, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received on a network. Step 4. Connect with network connections. These are the roads that connect all the buildings in a city. In a network, these connections can be wired like Ethernet cables, or wireless like Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Now, on to the summary of what we've discussed today. Network fundamentals are essential for anyone venturing into the IT field, especially system administration or cybersecurity. They form the backbone of understanding how data travels from one point to another and how different devices interact with each other on a network. Remember, the devices on a network, such as servers, computers, and switches, play different roles in managing and facilitating data traffic. Data packets are the vehicles that carry information across the network, and they contain crucial information about their origin, destination, and route. Network protocols are the rules that govern how data packets are managed on the network. They determine how data is assembled, transmitted, and received. And finally, network connections, whether wired or wireless, are the roads that enable data traffic to flow across the network. In the vast and ever-evolving field of information technology, understanding network fundamentals is akin to mastering the alphabet before diving into literature. It's the first step on an exciting journey of discovery and innovation. This understanding is not just a ticket to enter the IT world, it's the compass that will guide you through it. So next time someone asks, why do we need to understand network fundamentals? You'll know the answer. To read the language of technology, to navigate its vast cityscape, and to drive innovation in this digital age.